Good morning, students of class 8. It is chapter lesson 5, the summit within. We have completed two paragraphs. We are going to start after the second paragraph. As I look back at the life after climbing Everest, as I look back at life after climbing Everest, I cannot help remarking about the other summit. The summit of mind, no less formidable and no easier to climb. Means this is the photo of General HPS Ahluwalia, who was the member of the or is the group of the person who is the member of the mountaineers who were about to reach at the Mount Everest from India. So this is the man who gave the nation's best honor. So now the next paragraph, even when getting down from the summit, once the physical exhaustion had gone, I began asking myself the question why I had climbed Everest. Why did the act of reaching the summit have such a hold on my imagination? It was already a thing of the past, something done yesterday. With every passing day, it would become more remote, and then what would remain? Would my memories fade slowly away? In this paragraph, uh, Mr. SPS or Major SPS has told that his imagination, his target was to reach the topmost summit of Mount Everest, and he has decided in his life, his future plan was to reach to the top of the Mount Everest. And after his goal setting, he was also thinking about the weaknesses and strength of himself. At last, he was much tired, but finally, Major SPS decided that he has to complete his work and he has forward every memory that is slowing down his target. So, this is the commitment that he has done from himself, that he has to, as Major SPS, has to achieve his target anyhow in situation of any failure. Next paragraph reading. All these thoughts led me to question myself as to why people climb mountains. It is not easy to answer the question. The simplest answer would be as others have said, because it is there, it presents great difficulties. Man takes delight in overcoming obstacles. The obstacles in climbing the mountains are physical. Climb to a summit means endurance, persistence, and willpower. The demonstration of these physical qualities is not no doubt exhilarating. Exhilarating and exhilarating means very exciting. And it was for me. What is about in this paragraph about Major HPS? He was asking many of the questions from himself and other things also. Why he has decided to climb on the mountain, why he was asking this question from himself, and the job of climbing is not so easy. And many of the persons have the same target of climbing up the Mount Everest, and all of them has to face number of the problems, number of the obstacles, number of the problems in their life. And major problem is physically tiredness. And then second problem, it became the willpower, slowing up of the willpower. But Major SPS has finally committed that he has to anyhow complete the this target. And this was the commitment that helps in charging and boosting up Major SPS. So Major SPS was fully charged with his demonstration, with his mentally commitment and ops, and from his background problems, but he was totally charged that he has to, Major HES has to climb up to the summit of the Mount Everest, up to the top of the Mount Everest. Paragraph number third. I have more personal answer to question from my childhood. I have been attracted by mountains, and I had been miserable lost when away from mountains in the plains. Mountains are nature at its best. Their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge, and like many, I believe that mountains are means of communion with God. What is meaning of this paragraph? Major SPS has decided to climb up to the mountain from the childhood, and Major was preparing this thing for from his childhood. Major was thinking that he was attracted from the mountains, while he was attracted from the mountains from the childhood, and he has always wished to climb up on the mountains. This was the wish because this was the commitment from the childhood. So it became one challenge of his life that he has to go to the mountain. And in his belief, Major SPS was thinking that mountains are not only natural objects or God gifted things, mountains are the means of communion with gods. So this was the major reason to target to climb up the mountain at the top of the Everest. So this was also the reason that Major SPS believed that mountains are the god home, or the meeting place of the gods. So this was also the reason to decide his target. Thanks a lot. Today this much only. Have a nice day.